In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom download button in Framer. We'll walk through finding Framer's built-in download element and tailoring it so it looks on brand and triggers the exact file you want users to get. Start by heading to Framer and opening the project and page where you want the button to live. Make sure you're on the correct frame or section so the button lands in the right place on your canvas. It helps to keep your layers panel tidy. A clearly named frame makes positioning and future edits effortless. Next, click Insert to open the components browser. This is your library of elements you can drop onto the canvas. If your panel is densely populated, use the search field at the top to quickly locate what you need. Inside the Insert panel, switch to the Utility category. Utility collects practical building blocks that add functionality to your page, and that's where the download element sits. Opening this category narrows the list so you can spot it immediately. Choose Download to add the button to your canvas. With the button selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel to customize it. Update the label to something clear, like Download Resume or Get the PDF, so visitors know exactly what will happen. Point the link or URL field to the file you want people to receive. This can be a direct link to a hosted asset. For the smoothest experience, make sure it's a direct file URL using HTTPS so the browser can start the download without redirection. Now refine the look and feel. Adjust typography, corner radius, padding, and colors to match your brand. If the component supports an icon, choose one that reinforces the action and set its size and spacing. Tweak hover and pressed states so there's satisfying feedback when someone interacts with the button. Position it precisely on your layout or place it inside an auto layout frame or stack so it stays responsive across breakpoints. Don't forget accessibility. Add helpful alt text or an ARIA label in the properties if available, and ensure color contrast is strong enough to be readable. While you're styling, glance at the canvas preview to verify states, spacing, and alignment. When everything looks right, use the preview to click the button and confirm that the download begins as expected. If it opens a new tab instead, double check that the link points to the actual file rather than a page that contains it. That's it, you've added and customized a download button in Framer, ready for your users to click.